Good morning. We're in Poptown, North Carolina, right in front of my house, where I'm going to be putting my little free library. Happy Cinco de Mayo.
You realize that was yesterday, right?
Well, we didn't record yesterday, did we? So
Thank God we
Cinco
didn't.
de Sixo.
Better than Cinco de Sexo?
You can write that one. So anyway, we wanted to share some recaps with you today.
Yeah, so we couldn't leave you hanging. I know Nancy kind of chit-chatted with y'all a little bit yesterday, but I know we're kind of having some withdrawals.
Yeah,
right?
I
So
know.
we figured you'd want to see us one or two more times before we get back to work for real.
Well, I didn't really think that, but I did think they might be interested in the data.
All right,
So,
never mind.
On the Granny Series Little Free Library book tour, we went to 70 little free libraries.
And that doesn't include the ones that we couldn't find. So those
That's
were
right.
just the ones that we could find.
Yep.
So,
Yep, and we traveled over 3,210 miles
which
on
is
that
about
journey.
600 miles more than what we
We had
originally
planned.
thought. So
Yeah. So we took some
I
side.
have a feeling that might have been Nan's wrong way trip down a right way street.
I
So
did do that.
we stayed in 11 hotels over the course of 2.5 weeks, and we also made 8 Sonic stops. And we just wanted to do a quick shout out to Mary and Emma McCoy. Thank you for funding the second half of the tour's Sonic stops. So
Yep. And we also had 35 authors be generous enough to donate books along with us on our visits to all these little free libraries. So thank you so much. And we wanted to kind of run down the list so you'd know who was dropped off at all these libraries and help support them because they were so generous.
and
So-
in no apparent order. No,
well, the order is alphabetical by the first name.
Okay, all right.
So it's not in order of love or anything.
I don't know. I'll tell you if I love them or not.
Oh, no. So we've got Adrian Giordano, Avery Flynn,
Brenda Novak, Kara Carson,
Catherine Bybee and Cherry Adair,
Christine Glover, Corrine Callahan,
Cynthia D'Alba and DJ Adams,
Diana Love and Duffy Brown,
Eloisa James and Grace Green,
Hildy McQueen and Jamie Farrell,
Jill Shelvis and Kendra Elliott,
Kim Law and Kimberly Kincaid,
Maria Garacci and Nancy Herkness,
Pam Montavani, Robin Covington,
Sheila Roberts and Cheryl Woods,
Sonali Dev, Terry Osborne,
Tiffany Snow and Tracy Devlin,
Tracy Brogan, Tracy March.
and Wendy Marcus.
So thanks, y'all. We appreciate all your donations, and I think it's going to be super exciting for these readers. Most of them, I think, to be introduced to brand new authors.
I know, I think it's great. We also wanted to put out a special thanks to all the public libraries that welcomed us so warmly into their facilities, toured us around. And a lot of them had big events going on at the same time, which was kind of neat. But they all spent a lot of time with us, and
it
we
was
really
really great.
appreciate that.
It was great. And a quick thank you to Pierce Maddie. Pierce kind of helped us early on in this tour with trying to get the word out about it, and he's just amazing. So, Pierce, we hope we see you when we're in New York later this month.
Yeah, ink us in on your calendar, Pierce. Also, a big thank you to our families. My mom was here, battening down the hatches in Poptown, North Carolina with my dogs, and Smarty Boy and Tech Guy back in Athens, making sure that everything stayed safe and sound there with your boys.
Right, and actually
Four-legged.
putting in a brand new mailbox for me so that I can send out packages and receive I can receive big packages in case there's anything that big that you're wanting to send me. Or I like small packages with, diamonds and stuff. And also, hopefully, I'll have some really exciting news for y'all later, maybe later this week, because Tech Guy's been working on my little free library while I've been gone.
And it's so cute. And thanks to all y'all who followed us and hung with us. We know it was a long tour, but we really wanted to share the experience with you in case you didn't get out to visit. But we do hope you'll get out to your local little free libraries and help support them. It's such a great cause. And then last but not least, all the folks that we tried to connect with or reached out to us to try to connect and we weren't able to. Focus was on the little free libraries this time, and time was tight, but we are both working hard to come up with something new.
We've always got ideas going around in here, so don't worry, it won't be the last that you see of us, even if you want it to be.
That's right. So love you. Thanks for joining us.
All right, later, y'all.
See ya. Bye.